Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Madhi English School. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As you all know that this is the class of Standard 1. Right now, we are going to learn subject Maths. So welcome to the world of Maths. Today we will learn chapter number 4. Okay, before starting the lecture, we will learn a beautiful thought. Thought for the day is, your only limit is your mind. Your only limit is your mind. That means you can do everything, whatever you want. But first of all, you have to think about it and also work about it. Best of luck. Before starting today's lecture, let's make a quick revision. In previous lecture, we become familiar with introduction of shapes and comparing the shapes by size. What we have learnt? Introduction of shapes and comparing the shapes by size. What we are going to learn today? Today's learning objectives are comparing the shapes, match the shapes with the objects, complete the pattern, and at the end I have a surprise that I have not mentioned here. Okay, so let's begin the class. Color the objects that are similar to the given shape. Color the objects that are similar to the given shape. Means what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out the similar shape object. Look, this is sphere. So, this is also in the round shape. This is also. So, which both are similar? Yes, you are right. These both are similar. So, what we have to do? Yes, as we have to make color. Right now we are going to make tick mark. So now yes, this is the cube. Find out the similar shape. Which one is it? Is this? Is this? Is this? Which both are the same shape object? Yes, this is the similar to this cube. Okay, done. So now what we have to do? Yes, color the objects that are similar to the given shape. Color the objects that are similar to the given shape. So this is the cone shape object. Which shape is this? Cone shape. So which are the similar shape object in this column? Look at that properly. Is this similar? Is this or this one? This is the similar object to this shape. Okay. Now, which shape is this? This is cylinder. Find out the similar shape object. Which one is it? Look, this is the birthday cake. Is this both are same? No. This is an orange. Is this both same? No. This is the juice can. Which shape is this? Yes, this is the cylinder. This is looks like same shape as given shape. Okay? Match the objects with shape. What we have right now, match the objects with the shape. Look at the picture. There are different real life objects. This is the TV screen, ball, birthday cake, and a gift box. What we have to do? We have to match this with the shapes. So, which shape is this? Yes, this is rectangle. Match it with this. Then we have the ball. With what we have to match it? Yes, we have to match it with. Okay. Now birthday cake. Which is the similar shape of it? Is this or is this? Yes, this is the similar shape. This is the triangle shape. Okay. Now gift box. So we have to match it with this square. Okay. Move on to the next. Now match the objects with the shape. This is opposite of that exercise. So this is the circle shape. Find out it here. Where is the circle shape object? Yes, we have to match this with the globe of world. Now rectangle shape. Find out where it is. Yes. Okay. Next is triangle. So where is the triangle shape object? Yes, you all are right. Match with this. Next, cube. So match with this. I hope you all are understand well how to match the objects with the shape. Now let's see what's new. Okay, match the object with the shape. So this is the slice of watermelon, then a ring, a gift box, an orange, and a bench. Okay. First of all, this is the slice of watermelon. We are going to match it with the shape. Okay. Now ring. With what we have to match it? Yes, ellipse. Okay. Next is gift box. With what should I match it? With a square. Orange? Yes, with a circle. And, last, with what should I match this? Can you imagine? Yes, I should match it with rectangle. Let's do it. Okay. Good. Now, this is the different task. This is match the shapes. We have to match the shapes with the shadow of shapes. Yes. Match it. Okay. Now, rectangle. Match it. Triangle. match it. Star, match it. And at last, cube, match it. Very good. Hope you all are understand well and the concept becomes clear to all of you. Let's move on to the next. Now match the shapes with their names. In previous lecture I told you to memorize the spellings of the shapes. Do you remember that? So this is the circle. Where is the spelling of circle? Look, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Match it. Rectangle. Where is the rectangle? Here it is. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Okay. Now triangle. Where is the triangle? Yes, here it is. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Done. Next shape is star. Which shape is this? Star. Have you ever seen the stars? Yes. Every day we have seen the stars in the sky. So what is the spelling of star? This is the spelling of star. S-T-A-R, star. Let's match it. Okay. Next is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Done. Move on to the next. Look, what's this? What's new? This is patterns. As our lesson is shapes and patterns. What is the meaning of pattern? We have become familiar with shapes till now. Now we have to learn about the patterns. So what is the pattern? Look, Preeti's mother is decorating the house for Preeti's birthday party. She has put up balloons like this. Which color do you think she will put up next? Color the balloon. So what does the meaning of pattern? As we have to follow the pattern as per given pattern. Look, this is the blue colored balloon. This is pink and red. Again blue, pink and red, blue. So which color balloon should present here? Yes, it is pink and red color balloon. Okay. So we have to color this. You observe your textbook, you will find out this in your textbook, so you can make color in it. Okay. Now color these balloons according to the pattern. Look, this is red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Which color should come next? Yellow color. Okay. Then after yellow, if you are going to follow the same pattern, which color will come? Yes, you are right. Red color will come. So we have to color with red. Okay. Now spot the pattern and then color the balloon. Okay. Look, this is upside balloon, downside, up, down, up and downside. What is the color of downside balloon? Maroon color. Okay. So we have to make color it with maroon color. Now draw and color the next balloon according to the pattern. Look, these are the different shapes of balloons. Star shape, then circle shape, star, circle, star. Then if you are going to complete this pattern, which shape balloon will come next? Round shape. Okay. Hope you understand about the pattern well. Now ring the shape that comes next. if we want to complete the given pattern, what should we do? Observe the shapes given. Okay, after observing this pattern, we can say that after this shape, this will come. So we have to ring on this. Okay, look at the pattern of triangle. After observing this pattern, look, this is upside, downside, up, down, up. So among these two triangles, which will come? Yes, we have to ring around this. Okay, now observe this pattern. Rectangle, square, rectangle, square, rectangle. What will come next among these two shapes? Yes, you are right. Square will come. Okay, move on to the next. Now draw the missing picture. As we are learning about the pattern, my dear, look, first of all there present rectangle, then triangle, a rectangle. Now which shape will come? Obviously there will come triangle. So we have to draw triangle. You have to make practice about this. I'll send it in your group. So you have to make practice about this in your notebook. Okay? Now, after observing this pattern, we can say that there comes circle. Okay? Again circle, rectangle, circle. Which shape will come? Yes, rectangle will come. Okay? Triangle, rectangle, triangle and a rectangle. Okay? Now complete the pattern as we have done in previous slide. Look, this is rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Now if we want to complete this pattern, which shape will come next? It is circle. Okay? Next circle, square. Oh, have you seen the two same shapes present here? And this is the circle and here one diamond only. So which shape will come next? What do you think? Should I draw the circle or should I draw the same shape as this shape? I should draw. Okay, as you have seen that there are present two diamond shapes. Okay, so before you are starting to completing the pattern, you have to observe the given pattern first. Now look, rectangle, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle and what will come? Yes, circle. Very good. Now what happens? Look, this is the diamond, two circles, diamond, one circle. What will come? As you have observed the pattern, here present two circles. So if we want to complete this pattern, we have to draw the circle in given box to complete this pattern. Now look, these are two triangles. After that there comes circle, again two triangles. So what will come next? There will definitely come a circle. Have you enjoyed? I think shapes are the most beautiful things which you like the most, as well as you definitely enjoy to complete these patterns. Huh? Okay. Now as I told you that at the end we are going to make practice of dodging table. As I told you before that what are the dodging tables? So dodging tables are nothing than completing the skip counting tables. there present the different tables which you have to fill up. Tables will not come in a sequence while you are doing dodging tables. Okay? So you have to do this as your homework also. 1 sevens are. Remember, start counting. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7. Okay. Now 2 fives are. So what you have to do? You have to start counting from 2 ones are. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fives are, yes, 10. One twos are, don't need to count, you all know. 1 twos are 2. 3 six are, start counting from 3 ones are. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are, what will come? 3 6 are 18. Hope you all enjoy this activity. 4 ones are, you all know that. Should I count? 4 ones are 4. Next is table of 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are, what will come? 2 twos are, yes, 2 twos are 4. Table of 4. Start counting. What will come? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are, what will come? 4 fours are 16. What you have observed? If you want to make practice of dodging table, what is necessary? What is necessary? I told you before, after starting the year, that keep memorize the table each and every day. In each and every lecture, I inform you that you have to memorize the table. And where dodging table will be useful? Yes, it will be useful while doing multiplication sums. So it is most necessary thing for all of you that first of all you have to memorize the tables. Then and then only you can solve the dodging table, my dear students. So give me a promise that today onwards, definitely you are going to learn the tables each and every day, my dear students. As we have learned tables 1 to 4 till now. Okay? And I have written the dodging table of tables 1 to 4 only. So, 3 twos are, 3 ones are, 3. 3 twos are, 3 twos are, what will come? 3 twos are 6. Okay? Done? Next is, 3 ones are, what will come? 3 ones are 3. Very good. 4 fives are. Here we have to start counting from table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Isn't it interesting? This is very interesting for me, my dear. Okay. 1 fours are. Should I start counting from 1 ones are? No. You all are my brave students. 1 fours are 4. Very good. 3 threes are, look, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then what will come? 3 threes are? 3 threes are 9. Here is a trick for you. I have taken 2 twos are again. Why is this? Yes, I want to know. Who will find out it? 2 twos are 4. Okay. If I wants to write 1 tenza, should I start counting from 1 one's or not? What do you say? What will come 1 tenza? Is it 9? Is it 20? What do you say? 1 tenza? Can I write? Yes. You all know 1 tenza? 10, my dear. So, look, my dear students, definitely beta, each and every day you have to memorize the tables. We have 7 days in a week, okay? So, if we leave the Sunday, from Monday to Saturday, you definitely make practice about the table. One day you make practice of table of 1, next day table of 2, after that table of 3, table of 4, okay? And inshallah, you all memorize the tables. Huh? So, summary for today's lecture. What we have learned today? Today we have make revision. Then we compare the shapes. And also, we learn dodging tables. Okay? Take care of yourself. Stay happy. Stay safe. Don't trouble your mother, my dear. Bye bye, my dear students.
New table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30.